Hey guys, my name is Lauren. Welcome to Queenpin. On this channel, I give you tips, tricks, tutorials, and recipes to help make you confident in the kitchen. Today is video 3 in our spring and Easter themed series, and I'll be teaching you how to make some adorable and super easy flour cookies. Check it out. Okay, so we're starting out with a detail consistency royal icing to make the outline of our flower petal shape. I'm trying to make a poppy, so I didn't follow the outline of the cookie exactly. I let the edges get a little bit crinkly like a poppy. So now we fill it with our flood consistency and use our scribe to push it into shape. I use circular motions, and then when you're done spreading the cookie, make sure that there's no air bubbles. If you do have some air bubbles, then pop them with your scribe. Okay, so I let my flood layer dry in front of a fan, and I wanted to add an extra darker petal on top for some extra dimension. So I'm using a darker orange and a detail consistency to outline the shape of my new petal. And I'm also going to use that darker orange to outline the entire flower shape and develop the petal shapes, the individual petal shapes. And I added little squigglies as well. I'm going to let those dry a little bit and then put my flood layer on top. The squigglies are supposed to help prevent cratering in your cookies. And once again, use your faithful friend the scribe to help you push the icing around in the general direction that you want it. So now I'm using a lighter icing in a detail consistency to put the center of the flower in. I don't know what the center of the flower is called, so if you know, then write in the comments down below so that I know for the future. I'm using a detail consistency for all of my little details because I want it to stand up and add a little bit of dimension to the cookie. So now I'm taking that same dark orange and outlining that other petal that I added. And I'm taking a green frosting, again in detail consistency, and I'm going to add the stem and leaves. Okay, so we've added our stem and now we're just going to outline the leaves really quickly. Okay, and she's done. If you enjoyed this tutorial, then please hit that like button and subscribe to see more videos just like it. I hope you get a chance to make these cookies. I have linked my supplies as well as my sugar cookie recipe and my template down below in the description, so please check that out. I hope you have a fantastic Easter, and please comment down below your favorite part of Easter and spring. I'll be reading in the comments. Thanks guys, love you, bye.